Pasta Tuesday. Don't forget, Pasta Tuesday. Yeah, I said I was going to tidy up, but I really don't feel like it, even though I should tidy up. So I'm thinking I might just fit the other suspension cone and shock absorber, because that's sort of like tidying up, isn't it? You know, I'm getting stuff off the floor, back on the car. So that's what I think I'll do. Hopefully we got coilover mounts coming in tomorrow. Nothing to do with this car, obviously, but definitely to do with the air ride. Also might collect the wiring loom as well, because I think that's something else we can try and start fitting over the next week or so. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for all the opinions and views still, that's great. Yeah, so let's get the wire wheel. We'll do the same again. We've got to take the old knuckle joint off there. I don't know if people saw what I did yesterday in the video. I'll ground two flats on that, just so when you put it in the vise you can grip it a little bit better. And we'll just clean the that up while I wheel it, and yeah, go from there. So let's get the ball off. Okay, first things first, let's see how noisy the angle grinder is on speaker, shall we? Reality TV. Everyone loves the squeaky thing. Let's try and put some oil in it, shall we, while we're here? I can get to it all. There you go, because someone mentioned it the other day, squeaking, so. Does that make any difference? Oh! That's like as smooth as a baby's bottom. Trying to figure out what's making the noise. Oh, that's got rid of it. Look at that. That way. Hey? I might even bolt it down one day. I do have a bigger one somewhere, but I'll bloody try and use it on a bench. This is what it could do with being screwed down, couldn't it? So yeah, wire wheel time. There we go. Try and get cleaned up a bit. That'll do. And just a little bit of paint cleaned up on the rear bit there, on the donut. That'll do. So I've got the other shock absorber. Yeah. And we're nearly ready to do the same as we did the other side. Oh, we have got the quadrant to put on as well. Got that down here somewhere. Handbrake quadrant, which we've got some handbrake on order as well, so we should be getting them in the next couple of days as well. Okay, time's ticking by. Shouldn't be here, should I? So I think the first thing we do, or the first thing we need to do, we've got the quadrant, we've got the flexi hose to go on yet. So yeah, let's do those things and see how we're doing for time. And then obviously we've got lots more bolts to go in, 3 more bolts to go in the bracket. So let's see if we can aim to do those 3 things and then we can crack on later next time with the suspension cone if we run out of time. Okay, just brake pipes in loosely, just need to tighten them properly up in a minute. Handbrake quadrant goes underneath. This one, as I said, these are different. They've got a bolt and a spacer, which is very weird, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Can't do jokes like that, I've been told I can't do jokes. So yeah, a bit of grease on that. Hopefully we'll lift the radius arm up high enough and get that in there. Alrighty, that'll do donkey for today. You might have seen me having a quick beer. Yes, it's Christmas, isn't it? I'm allowed one. A few left over from the party. So anyway, that's those 4 subframe bolts and brackets bolted up. Radius arm's now tight. Just got the quadrant to tighten up a little bit more. And then we're ready to put the cone back in and shock absorber back on. And then again, this side will be ready, and then we'll have to then start focusing on the front ones again, which I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm starting to ignore at the moment because the swivel joints are annoying me. So I thought it'd be better off to ignore it. I've been down the unit again, forgotten to get the brake flaring tool. I might just buy another one because the odds of me actually finding it down in the unit is going to be slim to none. So yeah, so that's that. Yeah. All good, I think. So yeah, hopefully everyone's enjoying stuff. We're getting along. I must do a bit on the pickup soon. Yeah, I need to think what I'm doing about the body work on this. It's getting close, it's getting winter, way too cold for top coat. Might be alright with the heater on to do a bit more primer on top. But yeah, let's get the thing back onto 4 wheels. My dad's got the engine ready. Hopefully we might be able to bring that back at Christmas. Otherwise I might just look to see how much it is to stick it on a pallet, to be honest. If it's 30, 40 quid just to get it shipped by pallet, hell of a lot easier than trying to lug it in the back of the car. But we'll see. Alright guys, that's enough of me. I'm going in. Till tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bogies.